Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup veg. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Start with about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget fresh basil, approximately 1/4 cup, and 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. Also, have your vegetable broth, salt, and black pepper on hand. This simple preparation ensures a delicious, comforting soup every time. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by dicing your onion and mincing the garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it softens and turns translucent. This step builds a flavorful base for your soup, releasing wonderful aromas that will fill your kitchen. Next, add the minced garlic to the pot and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then, stir in your chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a rich base. Finally, it's time to achieve that creamy texture. Carefully blend the soup until it's perfectly smooth using an immersion blender directly in the pot, or transfer it in batches to a regular blender. Stir in your fresh basil, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade, comforting tomato soup. For an amazing way to keep your kitchen clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.